Here we are, another trade week opening with 4/12 Sunday. We are looking at EURUSD on the 5-minute chart, trading our 3x30 style. Price opens up right at a previous daily pop out. I want to mark the closing channel from last week because it got its 50 action up here. So let's mark this channel. So this might have dropped below the 50 to form the trap and is going to continue long. Or we're in the move and it's going to come back up to this channel and go short. But let's see what happens. I think that this looks like a trap move to the long because it is the Sunday open. Okay, so this is Sunday afternoon before Asia opens. And right here, we already have our pop out low. Beautiful. And then we have a divergent rest of the day, meaning that price kept getting lower, but here on the TDI, it's getting higher, telling me that price is already going upwards. And look at that, already took off, confirming that this is a divergent low and that price was starting to close upwards. Then we have our second 50 channel, the one for the session. That looks great. And let's wait for our prime window for the entry. So this paints a beautiful W or beautiful M, of course. This might trap some people into going short, but price stays above the 50 this entire time and does not drop down. So I'm going to be looking for longs on this one. I'm looking for a W entry, green, red cross high. So prime window is open. And there is the trap move low where it dips below the 50, comes back up to it. And there is one leg W. I'm going to wait for one more leg W. And it's a smart thing that I did. Okay, so there is a trap move high. And I still haven't seen my W. Good. Drops low. There it is. There's my green red cross entry right there. So the long position is going to go in on this green red cross. So somewhere right in there. Okay, and please note that we are at the daily pop out here. So see how price came right down, even painted us a doji right here at the daily pop out low, confirming that that is our trade long. Okay, man, very nice, very nice. So let's mark, I didn't get a chance to mark that this was divergent. Okay, there is our W and there is our trade. Let's see how this one plays out. And excellent takes off. Man, and it waits you out too. Here we go, London open, and there you are in profit. That was a very simple day, actually. So we opened low for the trap move, had a little bit of a divergent low, kind of confirmed for us that that was indeed the low. Came back up, messed with the 50. We got a beautiful W formation here right inside of our prime window. And it stayed above this daily pop out here. And let's go ahead and extend this channel just like that. And stayed on top of our channel as well. You know, even just right here, it just broke briefly, but you could even call this your W formation for the day. But either way, this was a beautiful, beautiful, very easy setup. To take your picture, this is the perfect trade day for Sunday, 4/12. Save it to your trade log. See you tomorrow.